Hi, I'm David from ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and a very quick screencast to show you how to make files in your account and assign them Go Digitally. Go to My Account. Make sure you're a paid user. Paid users are only allowed to upload files. Click Upload. Select a file that you want to upload. I'll go to my documents. I will upload it. It will appear here under your files. Now, if you want to put that into a folder, just click Edit File and select the folder you would like to put it under, and it will be added under that folder. You can make a folder at any time in any directory. Just click Add to Folder. Once it's added or you've uploaded it, you can copy the URL, you can go to the page, and you can view it or share it with students, and you can also assign it Go Digitally. When you assign it Go Digitally, it's added, you can assign it, show the students the URL, and they can go there and do the work online. If you need any help while you're in your file manager, click the help button and you go to our YouTube tutorials. This is David, and over and out.